What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna be making these bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers and we're gonna smoke them. And I'm gonna be kicking them off with this nice FreshJax peppered habanero seasoning. Give them a little extra spice. First thing you're gonna wanna do is cut them in half and haul these babies out. All right, y'all, once you get done wrapping these bad boys and stuffing them, we're gonna hit it with the FreshJax peppered habanero seasoning. Give it a little extra kick. Oh yeah. All right, y'all, turn your smoker on. 350. Ooh, y'all gotta check these out. All right. Boom! It's done, son!